Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we are discussing my chapter measurement first unit and dimensional analysis. What tomorrow we teach us units and today teach us dimensional analysis. My topic is dimensional dimensional analysis. What is dimensional? What is analysis? Analysis means व्याख्यान करना. डायमेंशनल मीन्स विमीय. टोटल इसका नाम होगा विमीय विश्लेषण. विमा शब्द जो है इट इज डायमेंशनल, इट इज depend on units. We know that the drive unit of a physical quantity can be obtained from fundamental units. We know that the drive units of a physical quantity can be obtained from the fundamental units. Yes. For example, unit of mass, time, length, etc. For example, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time, unit of distance by unit of time. It is represented by unit of distance power 1 into unit of time is represented by -1. Then speed is equal to unit of distance by power 1 into unit of time is power of -1. Difference between dimensional and units. There is a clear difference between dimensional and units of a physical quantity. There is a clear difference between dimensional and units of a physical quantity. For example, unit of speed can be written by meter by second, kilometer by hours. Obviously, all the units are the different, but dimensional of each are 1 in length, distance and -1 in time. What is dimensional? Now we are discussing definition of dimensional analysis. Dimensions of any physical quantity are those powers which are raised on fundamental unit to express its units, the expression which show how and which of the base quantity represented the dimensions of a physical quantity is called the dimension formula। यानी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की पावर जो होती है, यूनिट्स की जो पावर होती है, इज कॉल्ड डायमेंशन। इसके द्वारा जो फॉर्मूले का निर्माण होता है, फॉर्मूला बनता है, इज कॉल्ड डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला। डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला कैन बी डिराइव्ड 5 टाइप्स ऑफ dimensions। Dimension formula can be derived 5 types of dimension। Mass is represented by m, length is represented by l, time is represented by t, temperature is represented by theta, and current is represented by A। Capital M, capital L, capital T, capital theta, capital A, that the using of note each dimensional used by square brackets। It is mass of power A, length is power B, time is power C, and temperature is power C D, and current power is E। Then dimensional formula, H m की पावर A, L की पावर B, T की पावर C, थीटा की पावर D और A की पावर E इज कॉल्ड डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला। यानी केवल 5 राशियों से मिलकर के, फिजिकल क्वांटिटियों से मिलकर के डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला तैयार होता है। वो कौन? मास, लेंथ, टाइम, टेम्परेचर एंड करंट। इसके अलावा कोई भी डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला हो वह रिप्रेजेंट नहीं होती है डायमेंशनल में। और इसके द्वारा एक फॉर्मूले का निर्माण होता है, उसे कहते हैं डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला। m की पावर A, L की पावर B, T की पावर C, थीटा की पावर D, A की पावर A। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिस्टेंस, डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाई L। मास represented by mass of units, unit of mass m, unit of value L की पावर 3। then m L of -3. This is a dimensional formula of density. This is a dimensional formula of density. Now, next video we are discussed to another dimensional formula. Okay.